Hello students, myself Manasa J. In this video, I am going to talk about glass. Let us know what is glass. Glass is an amorphous, transparent or translucent, rigid supercooled liquid of indefinite viscosity. Glass is a mixture of number of metallic silicates. Normal glass, that is soda glass, may be represented by the formula Na2O CaO 6SiO2. In some varieties of glass, SiO2 may be replaced by Al2O3, B2O3, P2O5, etc. Let us know about the raw materials required for the manufacture of glass. Soda ash. It supplies sodium oxide for the glass. The cheaper substitutes of soda ash are sodium bicarbonate, sodium nitrate and a mixture of salt cake, that is sodium sulfate and carbon. Sand. It forms silicates on fusion with the other ingredients. The sand used in glass manufacture should be pure and free from iron as it imparts color to the glass. Limestone. It provides calcium oxide, sometimes burnt dolomite containing calcium oxide and magnesium oxide is employed as a substitute of lime. Potassium carbonate. It is used for making hard and superior glass. Borax. Borax lowers the expansion coefficient of glass. It adds to chemical durability of the glass. Feldspar. It is a naturally occurring mineral with the formula Na2O Al2O3 6SiO2 soda feldspar or K2O Al2O3 6SiO2, that is potash feldspar. It is used as a flux, that is to lower the melting point and to retard devitrification of glass. Arsenous oxide. It is used for removing air bubbles from the glass. Cullet. It is the crushed glass from imperfect or defective articles or their trimmings. It makes melting easy and utilizes the waste. Lead oxide. It is used for the production of heavy and high quality flint glass. Coloring materials. These are the materials employed for imparting color to the glass. Let us know about the manufacture of glass. The first step is fusion of raw materials. The ingredients called batch materials are mixed in the right proportion, then heated to fusion in a furnace. Many designs of glass manufacturing furnace are in use. The most commonly used furnace is tank furnace. Let us know about the tank furnace. It consists of a large rectangular tank built of fire clay blocks as shown in the figure. It measures about 125 by 30 by 5 feet. It can deliver about 1400 tons of glass per day. The batch materials are fed into the tank and producer gas is used as a fuel in the furnace. In order to economize on heat, a regeneration system is provided. It consists of a chamber with a fire clay checker which work on either side of the furnace. The system works in two alternate cycles of 20 to 30 minutes each. In one cycle, the hot burnt gases from the furnace are swept through one of the chambers to heat up to checker work. In the second cycle, the secondary air used for burning the producer gas is passed through the hot checker. The charge is heated at 1400 to 1500 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 hours. The following reactions take place. Here we can observe from molten mixture, the glass is formed. During the melting, lot of frothing is caused owing to the evolution of the gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. When the frothing subsides, the temperature is raised and the molten glass is allowed to stand for some time. This is called refining, and its object is to form a homogeneous mass free from gas bubbles and bits of undissolved materials or batch stones. Lighter impurities called glass gall float on the surface of the melt and are skimmed off by means of silica ladles known as floaters. The lower layer of fused glass is then taken out for the next step. Tank furnace is a continuous process and usually employed for the production of large quantities of only one variety of glass at a time. The next step is shaping. The fused glass formed in the furnace is next shaped or formed into the desired articles. It is accomplished by blowing from mouth or by means of a machine. On cooling, the article is taken out from the mold. Annealing. It is a process of cooling slowly the newly shaped articles. If the articles are cooled quickly, they become brittle on account of the high internal strain. Annealing allows the molecules to arrange themselves in such a way that there is no internal strain where the mass is cooled. Thus, after shaping the article is passed through a series of cooling chambers where cooling is carried out step by step. The fourth step is finishing. The articles obtained after annealing are subjected to a number of operations for bringing them to a usable form. Some of these operations are sorting, cleaning and polishing, trimming and grinding, rounding edges, etc. Let us know about the varieties of glass. Soda glass or soft glass. This is an ordinary variety of glass and is also called window glass. Its composition is Na2O CaO6SiO2. It is called soft glass because it softens at relatively lower temperature and can easily be shaped into different shapes. It is used in making glass tubes, window panes, bottles, dishes, etc. Next variety is flint glass. It is made from potassium carbonate, lead oxide or red lead and sand. Its composition is K2O PbO 6SiO2. It is heavy, shining and extraordinarily durable. It is soft and scratches easily. Flint glass is lustrous and transparent product and reflects light much better than other types of glass. It has high refractive index. Therefore, it is used in making optical instruments like lenses, prisms, etc. and cut glass articles like objects of decoration, imitation diamonds or jewels, etc. Optical glass. It is a glass with very high refractive index. It is used by fusion of potassium carbonate along with red lead and sand. It is used for making cameras, microscope, telescope, prism, etc. The next variety is borosilicate glass. In this type of glass, a part of the silica is replaced by boric oxide B2O3. It is supercooled solution of various borates and silicates and hence its name borosilicate glass. It is made by fusing a mixture of sand, lime, borax and alkali carbonates. Borosilicate glass is durable and has more thermal and chemical resistance. Pyrex and Jena are two well-known trademarks of borosilicate glasses which are widely used for making laboratory apparatus, thermometers, kitchenwares, tablewares, insulators, etc. Next variety is safety glass. It is prepared by placing a layer of transparent plastic, usually a sheet of vinyl acetate resin, between two layers of glass by means of a suitable adhesive. The three layers are joined together tightly by the action of heat and pressure. Safety glass does not break easily under ordinary impact, therefore named as safety glass or unbreakable glass. However, it does break under heavy impact, but the particles of glass do not shatter because they are held by the plastic. It is used in making windscreens of automobiles, aeroplanes, railway trains, etc. Next variety is colored glass. Colored glass is obtained by adding slight amount of coloring material. It is used in making fancy material also. Examples of some coloring materials are cobalt oxide blue, cuprous oxide red, chromium oxide green, manganese dioxide violet, cadmium sulfate yellow, and ferric oxide black. These are the references. Thank you.